So today I'm on towboat Timothy M. Shea. I've been dispatched to head up to LBKnox Bridge, or some people call it High Bridge. At that point, I'm going to do, or I should say Captain Paul is on his way down towing another vessel, and we're going to do a handoff where I'm going to pick this vessel up and take it down to New Smyrna. So if you have watched some of my other videos, the Christmas video, Ho Ho Christmas Tow or whatever it was, in that video I was towing a boat and I handed it off to Captain Paul. Today's the opposite. Today he's bringing a boat down and he'll be doing the handoff, going to pull up next to this other vessel, give them my tow line, and then take it from there. Let's see how I do. This is going to be about a 6-hour job. First hour will be headed north from Daytona to the handoff point. Hours 2 through 5 will be to tow the vessel back down south approximately 35 miles. And then hour 6, I get to return to Daytona. Towboat Atlantis, this is towboat Timothy Shea. I've got eyes on you.
Yeah, I just saw you right now coming around the corner there. And so what I did, I just came alongside. He's got bumpers on his port side, okay? So he's gonna just give him your bridle. He'll drop mine in, put yours on, you'll be on your way, man.
Roger that. See you in a sec. We're going to let you pass before we do our handoff.
Copy, let us pass.
When we get down there. No problem. Call it 12:44 or 12:45, I guess. Handoff complete. I have the Sea Ray in tow, headed south.
Done.
Hey, Paul, what kind of speed were you making with this thing?
Just under 6 knots, man.
Roger that. Safe travels. I'll see you at the dinner in a couple weeks.
Sounds good, man. Yeah, you too, man. And also, I was doing about 3,000, so I was just under 6 knots.
Understood. LBKnox Bridge, LBKnox Bridge. This is Towboat US on Channel 9.
Knox Bridge, go ahead.
I am presently headed southbound, just about to come around the corner with a disabled vessel in tow, requesting an opening.
Copy that. Just continue your approach as soon as you're down here close enough. I'll open for you.
Roger that. Thank you.
I'm not sure if the other vessel is going to be able to stop if I open and close again for them. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes, but they can't stop, period. We've been behind them for 2 hours. We're trying to get away from them.
Copy that. I'll open for you now then in that case. I'm sure sorry about that.
Thank you.
LBKnox, I'll pick up my speed here a little bit, get through as quickly as possible.
Copy that. I appreciate it, Cap. We just got all this bike week traffic and it's absolutely crazy.
Roger that. Unfortunately, I'm kind of fighting the incoming tide here.
Copy that. I just thought I knew we can.
Here's an explanation of the communication between the trawler and the bridge that you heard a few seconds ago. During times of high vehicle traffic, the bridges will open on a set schedule, usually about a half hour. During low vehicle traffic, they'll open on demand, and for me, the towboat, they will open on demand all the time. What you heard initially was the bridge tender telling the trawler that he would open on demand, but he wanted to wait for me to get down there so that I could go through and that I might not be able to stop. You then heard a very agitated response from the trawler saying that they had been stuck behind the towboat and didn't want to get stuck again. That resulted in the bridge tender being very kind in opening early for them, which resulted in the bridge being open for a long time. So here's a towboat tip. Anytime you're behind one, hail them on channel 16 and they'll let you pass. There was no reason for that to happen. I'm sure that earlier in the day, Captain Paul had no idea that these people were behind him.
Mainstreet Bridge, this is Towboat US on 9.
This is Mainstreet Bridge, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm southbound, just passing under the twin span with a disabled vessel in tow, requesting an opening, please.
No problem. I will open. You may continue your approach. Thank you, have a good day.
Roger that, thank you.
One eternity later.
Yeah, let the current carry you back a little bit. All right. I can, but I won't. How are you going to get back? I mean, you just.
Oh yeah, I'm going to paddle my kayak, and I got to get one of my dinghy boats.
Oh, sure, of course, yeah. Well, let me go ahead and unhook me, and then we need to do the iPad. Watch your fingers. Yeah, hang on. I'll give you some slack. Hold on. Okay, stand by. Do me a favor, wrap that around your mid-cleat there. You want to just wrap it around once and hand it back to me? Perfect, thank you. All right. Yeah, let me do the, yeah, hang on a sec. Okay, Jan, you want to just we can do the iPad over at the boat ramp? Is that?
Yeah, I can do it right here real quick, because I'm going to make sure we're anchored good. Talking to there for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Let me just.